chicken. I'll set some chicken down on my side over here on the rice. Some of the sauce. Oh, you can feel the crispiness of that skin too.
Think of that chicken just juice as I go down. Wow.
Fix that bite. And I love additionally how it's heavy, it's meaty, but there's so many fresh herbs and fresh ingredients to garnish that chaser velvet at the same time. And in addition to that, tomato sauce. Okay, I need some more of that good too. I love how there's just whole spices in here too. You can see the whole pepper part in that. Wow. That goat cheese is insane. I really taste the star anise in that. And the whole pepper part. That meat. And that big chunk of meat that just melts in your mouth. It's so tender.
Pull that out.
Now try the pickle. And again, that's another total contrast. Sour sweetness of the vinegary dressing, and just the freshness, the crunch of the cucumber. So again, just contrast the richness of the meat and the toppings.